Hey guys, so today we'll be playing the grindiest game in the world. Big Swamp Simulator. Yeah, okay, I have a carpenter bee. Don't mind me, that carpenter. And of course I have to be out of anything when I have to make a video, so I'm just gonna put in. I didn't want to. Uh, wait, I have oil. Give oil. Purple potion. Blah blah blah. More fun. Update. I'm gonna get a cup up. We don't want. Purple potion. Oh, shoo. This was for 40 minutes. Holy bum. Ah. Oh, this is good for grounding in the bamboo field just because I need to ground in the bamboo field. Shut up. That almost killed me. Holy. Okay, so I have been grinding this game for long. I think I never made a video here because one video I had to take down. Yes, shut up. I had to take down one video, but don't mind that. This is only part one of this video. I'm gonna be making parts of this game. So bamboo field. I need to grind for smorgasbord. Or smorgasbord. It sounded kind of sus. What did I say? Smorgasbord. Okay, one. Okay, wait. How about okay? Oh yeah, you forgot. My friend has a private server. I could just join that. Who is in the server? We don't know. Probably his friend. Fire. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I know who Firehand is. Pay to win. Pay to win. Not gonna lie. I don't know who Fire. Oh, Flip. I see him right there. He has the portal dipper. Okay. Oh my God! Copyright music. Sorry, YouTube. Please don't copyright me. I literally forgot to turn off the music, and I'm so dumb. I just noticed earlier. Cactus field. I'm pretty sure Fireblade changed his name to Firehand. No idea. Yes. Cook. Oh, that scared me. Literally, this werewolf scared me. Scared the C word out of me. Oh, royal jelly. Jeez, that is good. I did royal jelly for a lot of things. I needed to change my duplicate. I'm gonna show you guys a duplicate I have. Cool bee. Yes, I have a duplicate of a cool bee. I'm pretty sure I also have one more duplicate. I don't have a demo. Wait! Change the stubborn bee by let's change a stubborn bee or a bomber bee with a royal jelly, and it can turn to a demo. I know that from someone. I'm not gonna tell you guys, but if I do that, it will transform to a demo, which I need. Oh, and I also almost have the place to for honest blah 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 blah. Oh yeah, bro, PCC. Oh my God, Peter, why did you forget this? I forgot this. Oh my god, I forgot the beast speed. I never even used the beast speed in the first place. I was trying to use the beast speed and fire blade. Why are you there? Still down there. Yes. Okay, so I only need like a couple more for like quest to finish. And it's gonna be pretty good, guys. It's gonna be pretty good. After this, I'm literally going to finally enjoy my life for the first time because I finished Smorgasbord. Why did I say four? Smorgasbord. I know where it's at. It's at Bamboo Field. Bamboo Field. Go to Bamboo Field immediately. Go to Bamboo. Bamboo. Yes. Yes, Bamboo. Yes, Bamboo Field. Bamboo Field. Crunch. Crunch my Bamboo Field. Where is it heading now? Oh wait, oh my god, it's heading to the neighbor's field. Why? Wait, no, not at the neighbor's field. Firehand is still AFKing, huh? Cacti field, which I need. Thanks, game. You finally blessed it. Amazing luck. Literally amazing luck. This is the best. Take it. Oh! Yeah! And also the quest is finished. This is the best day of my life. The quest is finished. What? And also a sprout? Seriously? A sprout? A sprout? Amazing! Look! That's the sound of what this sprout makes when it's almost broken. It's kind of dumb and also loud. Every time I'm grinding, I always hear someone do this. I'm literally just AFKing like right around it. And the sprout is done. Royal jelly! Oh, mama! I got a royal jelly. Royal jelly! Yes! Royal jelly! Roy just got a royal jelly again. Literally, this is the best. Yeah. Keep getting royal jelly, baby. Okay, the sprout is no more. So now let's just go to Black Bear and back with this dumb quest. Gave me. Oh. Teach. I'll have something to do. Where is my stubborn bee? Stubborn bee, I'm gonna wait. Okay, I thought I saw 428 gingerbread. Wait, why didn't I notice 428 gingerbread? Yo! Holy crackers! I got a diamond bee, guys. I got my first diamond bee. Are you serious? Seriously, I got a gifted Coolbee, which I have another Coolbee. I don't need an exhausted rascal. Demobee! Yes! Oh my god, I'm hatching so much things! Sick mode! What else? What else? What else? What else can I thing? Nothing else? Diamond bee. No, diamond bee. I want diamond. Yes! 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 Wait. Bitterberry. Wait, no. Diamond bee. Let me feed this diamond bee with a bitterberry. Oh, dang it. You know what? Let me just make him radioactive. Now he's radioactive. Radioactive. My carpenter bee, sleepy or okay, that's not. Literally, this is the best day of my life. I am literally so lucky. Shut up, mother bear. Shut up, mother bear. Polar bear candied beetles. I'm pretty sure the next quest is going to be cancer again. Just like the original times. Because Black Bear always gives me cancer quest. Okay, 6 million. That's good. 6 million. $3K, 1K, 25K. About to get another 25. Oh, I have 2 Coolbees. 2 cool. Oh yeah, one is a. Okay, I'm gonna have to replace one of my Coolbees. I'm sorry, Coolbee, but you have to get replaced. No, not dumb looker. Cool. Yes. Exhausted. Rascal. Fiery. Yes. I keep getting. Now how much do I have? I have 27 bees and I discovered 29 types. This is literally one of the best days of my life. Okay, time to grind at the best build that I could afford. Best build I have is... Oh! Peter, why are you so stupid? You could just take the cannon, dummy. I forgot that I could take the cannon. Stop! Okay. Okay, this quest is going to be pretty easy. Ability tokens? Glue? Oh, I never even used my glue. May just use my glue. I'm recording. Wait. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Bye.